Today we will discuss about move and joint elements in Revit. First of all, I welcome all my friends on my educational channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Like and share also. When the 2 points of the element join, the location of the two objects joined can be changed by drag control without breaking. If there is an element placed on an object, then element will travel with the object by dragging. Select these two walls and move them with drag control on the wall joint, or right click on drag control and select drag end in the context menu. Place it at any location you want. This wall has a window on it. The window also moved along the wall. This functionality is available for walls, lines, beams, braces, and line-based families. So, in today's topic, we have studied to move and joint elements. I hope you understand it. Stay tuned for more educational videos, BIM Talks.